Okay, I'm gonna show you guys a little secret on keeping your square body from rusting out that very few people know of. And this may or may not work on a few other vehicles in the world as well. So here we go. So see these two holes right here? They go into the rockers. So you take a little bit of car soap in a spray bottle, spray it in there. I already did. Then you take your garden hose and very carefully see all the water come out. See over there? Do that for a couple minutes. Then go up to the next hole. And do the same thing there. Just think, more people did this in the world, there'd probably be half as many rusted out vehicles, and about half those vehicles would still be on the road. Simple maintenance goes a long way. Alrighty. Well, there's your tip for the day. Take care, everybody.